Hello guys and welcome to a GameMaker Studio Basic tutorial. So, if you don't know what GameMaker is, it's basically, it's a game maker that you can use without coding but also with coding. It has a coding language built into it called GML, and that's what we will be using to create games. It's quite powerful, but it's also quite easy to use. It's got a drag and drop thing. Kind of think Unity, but a 2D version. I know Unity has 2D, but this is a lot easier. This also has 3D, but it's not that good. So first, once you installed GameMaker on Steam, link will be down in the description, and open it, you'll come up with this screen. There will be a play and a make, okay? Here you can play games from the Steam Workshop, and here you can make games. We're going to click make. Take a while to just load up. Okay. Now that we've got this, okay, you won't have anything here. Well, probably wouldn't have anything here. We're going to click new, keep that as it is. Project name, I'm going to call it my first game. Okay, so we're going to call it my first game. Close this. Okay, so here is our GameMaker screen, okay. Here we've got all our resources, okay. Everything that we can add, except for code of course and stuff, well, technically not, but all the stuff that will be in our game, so our character, our objects, everything that will actually be part of our game is over here. Here are some other things, like if you think Microsoft Word, for example, has these things on top. So we've got a new game, open existing game, save the game, create executable for target. I'll explain that. That's run the game, and there's a few other things. We won't be using this bar up here too much. But let's start. So first thing we want to do is I want to create myself a room. Okay? So on my room I'm going to go create room. So right click the folder called rooms, create room. So here we've got a room. If you double click the top bar you can so if we double click this thing, it will maximize. So here's our room. Okay, I'm going to change the speed to 60. And that's all I'm going to do. We're going to leave it like that. But we're going to go to settings over here and name a room RM main. So the reason why I've put RM here is because this is the that stands for room. You want to put a prefix in front of everything, so room, and here's our main room. Okay, so now we want to click enter. Oh, click here. Okay, we'll go here. Okay, we're going to right click create. Okay, so first, so we've got this settings, new main. Okay. So if you enter there. Okay, so now I'm going to go right click create sprite, and then we're going to go and call it SPR underscore player, because this is going to be our player. Okay, I'm going to click edit sprite, and so here we've got our sprite options. Okay, I'm going to click create new sprite. Width 32, height 32. Leave it like that and click OK. Double click on this image. Go to our little paint bucket tool. Okay, so we're going to click on the paint bucket tool, and I'm going to choose the green. So go over here, choose green. You can choose any color. It's not really going to matter. And click that. We click OK. OK. Enter. OK. So here we've got our sprite player and our room 0, which should be room main, but don't know why it hasn't. Oh, if we click here, that should change. Click the tick, it should change. Okay, so here we've got a sprite. The only problem is this is just an image. It's not actually a thing yet. We actually have to create the thing. So here we've got objects. We're going to right click object, create objects. We're going to go obj underscore player. So this is an object and player. Always name your object the same thing as a sprite. Okay? And now we have to click sprite player. That's what we have to do for now. Okay, enter. Should change the name. Okay, so first thing we want to do is we want to make it so we can move this character around. The problem is, if we run the game, let it compile, the character's not on the screen yet. So we actually have to place the character on the screen. So I'm going to go to room main, here, objects, it should be obj underscore player should be here. If it's not, just click this thing, click obj player, and just click anywhere in the room, doesn't matter. Click tick, and it should save. So now, if we run it, he's in, but we can't control him. So, we're going to be able to control him now. So we're going to right click, add event. Okay, so here's all our events. We've got create, destroy, alarm, step, collision, keyboard, mouse, other, draw, key press, key release, and that. I can't pronounce that. But what we're going to do right now is keyboard. So keyboard is if a key is being held down. So for example, if we're holding down the up arrow, then it will do these actions in here. But so I'm going to go up. Okay. Now we're going to have to add code. Now we can't type in here. This is not our code thing. So here we've got all the actions we can add. If we go to control, get this thing where it says code, add it, we've got code. So what we're going to do is we're going to go, so here we're going to type y plus equals -1. Oh no, sorry. Minus. So see how we're going to type y minus equals 1. So what this is doing is it's taking y, because we've got x and y. So in 3D it's x, y, z. 2D is x, y. It's subtracting it by original number. So it's basically saying y subtract 1 from the original number. So if it's y64, it's now going to be y63. For every frame, it will subtract 1 while we're holding this down. Okay? Because negative goes up, positive goes down. So if we hold up, it should go up. Now let's say you want to change the speed. 2. We'll double it. 3, 4. So if we change it to 4, this means it now moves 4 pixels for every frame while we're holding the up arrow. So there, it moves a lot faster. Okay? So now we want to go down and left and right. So we want to add event keyboard down. Drag in our code, and we're going to go y plus equals 4. Okay, next we're going to add event keyboard right. We're going to go x plus equals 4. We're going to go add event keyboard left x minus equals 4. Now if we add it, we can move around. So yeah, that's basically it. So thank you for watching the first tutorial of GameMaker. If you want some more, please comment and tell me, and we can slowly start developing this game and creating it into a better game. And you'll be learning some more things as we go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good day.